Well, ninth standard, Justice English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. So, dear students, linked with the previous video, this is just continued lesson going on. Justice Above Self, Unit 5. And it is the story written by Munshi Premchand. Here in this story, you see, first you follow the board work, Unit 5 Prose, Justice Above Self by Munshi Premchand, Class 9, date 29/11/20. Concept is reading comprehension, learning points, narrate story, then para-wise explanation, mark the important lines, find out interesting verbs. So let's start the story, that one. It is obviously story of this is the story of Munshi Premchand, Justice Above Self. So Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, the two friends. The story starts with both the friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. In between, the old aunt, total responsibility of Juman Sheikh, because the old aunt already with her own properties and all, and taken shelter under Juman, and the matter is that their condition only that this Algu Chaudhary and this Juman Sheikh will take care of the old aunt throughout forever and forever her old age life. But something mistaken, and Juman Sheikh's wife did not give the food properly, misbehaved, bad behaviors and all, owing to all this tension. When she explained to Juman Sheikh with his wife, supported his wife and against the old aunt. So lot of things are like this. After that, we will start your comprehensive checkout. You do it. You share your responses with the small questions. Page 92, class 9. How was the bond of friendship between Juman and Algu? Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were very good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Second one, on what condition did Juman's aunt transfer her property to him? Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. Next one. What did the aunt demand to set up a separate kitchen? One day she spoke to Juman, the old aunt. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. Next one. What made the old lady angry? My wife knows best how to run the house. This one Juman Sheikh told. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly and insulted the old aunt. This made the old aunt angry and she decided to take the case to the village panchayat. How did people react to the old lady when she went about explaining her plight? The old lady went about meeting people, explaining her case. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her. A few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. So in this way she got the treatment from the other corners of the society. Why did Algu Chaudhary say that he could not go against Juman? Here, Algu Chaudhary, when at last the old aunt, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. Then, you know, Chachi means aunt. Juman is my best friend. Who told it? Algu. To keep mum, to keep silent and not say what you consider just and fair. So how can I go against him? Now accordingly, when Algu said in this way, then the aunt told, but it is right, my son, what are you telling? You are a very good friend of Juman and I am coming complaining against Juman. But the matter is that, but is it right, my son, to keep mum? You will listen and you will be silent. Not say what you consider just and fair, what is justified, what is fair, what is honestly you have to speak something. You will not tell, you will not interfere. She said. Algu did not reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Then page 92. The Panchayat, para 5. The Panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, the voice of the Panch is the voice of God. Let my aunt nominate the head Panch. I will abide by her decision. I nominate Algu Chaudhary as the Panch. The Panch knows neither enemy nor friend, stated the old lady. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over this unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. Yes, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience, and his voice is the voice of God. For the sake of friendship, you will not kill your conscience, though Juman is your friend. But I am selecting Algu Chaudhary, you as the leader of Panch. You will be the Panch, so that you can take the decision against your friend also. I have faith on you. God lives in the heart of the Panch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. What have you to say in your defense? Asked Algu to Juman. Juman narrated how his aunt transferred her property and how he promised her to look after her as long as she lived. But of late, there have been quarrels between my wife and aunt. Now my aunt is getting a monthly allowance from me, which I can't pay. That's all I have to say. He included his submission, that is Juman. After consulting others, Algu announced, we are of the opinion that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. Return back the old aunt's property. Otherwise, start giving her monthly allowance. The voice of Algu Chaudhary as the Panch, though Juman was his very good friend. So justice lies there when the Panch is very honest. Now the friends were seldom seen together. They are not at all good friends and heartbroken. They are not part and parcel of each other. The bond of friendship broken. In fact, Juman saw Algu as an enemy and wanted to take revenge against him. This much story today. In between, you will read it nicely. Prepare your lesson, notes, everything. So next video, continuity with the lesson. Thank you very much.